this is a quick one for beginners. If you are one of those who is just getting started to work with SQL Server in any capacity, be it as a database administrator or as a developer, you will have to refer a lot of Transact SQL code. Now, be a beginner or experienced. For example, I personally keep reading a lot of Microsoft documentation and docs.microsoft.com and a lot of SQL Server content out there. Wonderful set of documents, white papers, articles, and of course, Transact SQL reference. This is a great repository of learning content that is created by the Microsoft SQL Server team back in Redmond. And when I'm reading through these documents, there are a lot of these syntax conventions that I come across. So when you're referring to the T-SQL code, the italics, the bold, the underline, the square brackets, the curly braces, and so many of them. For example, the 4-part identifier, server name, database name, object name, schema, etc., etc. Sometimes it might, as I said, if you're a beginner, sometimes many of these syntax conventions might be overwhelming. So here is a very quick tip for you. Go to your favorite search engine, and I know your favorite search engine is bing.com, and just type in Transact SQL syntax convention. And hopefully the first link will be this particular Microsoft doc that I'm talking about, which explains all the syntax conventions pretty nicely, and referring that will really help. And you will, after that, when you go and read back the reference documents, you will, of course, have a better understanding, and you will be able to quickly comprehend what each syntax means. Now, if you go to your favorite search engine and you type it and it does not pop up, then go to the other search engine and type this Transact SQL syntax convention, and you should get it right on the top. Hope this video was useful. Do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. See you soon in another video.